Hello, this is Jerome Sorilia, and today I'm going to share to you the things, some things that I bought, diba, during our run. Here in Semana Santa. Bali nakita ko to sa Chinatown. Top durian. I don't know, I want to give this as a pasalubong, pero sabi sa akin, bago ko to ibigay as a gift, might as well try it. Basta nakita lang kami ng doon, ng parang grocery. Kasi durian is a specialty here in the Philippines, sa Mindanao. Susubukan ko siya. And then, bumili kami ng ng cooking wine. Gia Fan. I don't know how you, gamit, pero let's see. Nice. Ito muna, titikman natin. Actually, meron siyang raspberry, may mango, and the durian. But I prefer the durian. Check muna natin yung palibot niya. Maganda kasi yung packaging diba? Parang maganda siyang ibigay as a gift. So might as well, we're going to give it a gift sa mga tao na bibigyan natin sa gift sa US. I don't know how you're gonna open this one. Yun ang isa sa problema ko Hindi ako marunong mag-open this one. And kasi, sabihin natin na hindi siya made out of basta. I think I'm gonna use scissor na lang here. I'm having difficulty I'm having difficulty how to open. Yeah, yan yung wine. Yan yung diba? Ang naman kasi niyan is parang scotch tape lang. Gusto ko lang tikman yung crisp. Crisp kasi sa yung crisp sa British is most para siyang chips. Crisps nakalagay durian crisp. And maganda yung packaging, might as well try first bago tayo mamigay sa ating mga balikbayan. Yeah, mahirap siyang yun talaga, buksan. Just to guarantee yung freshness, diba? They are individually wrap, di ba? Parang candy. Hindi ko nga malaman kung hopya siya o But it's a top savory. Para siyang galing Macau o I don't know. So let's try what it is. Ay my goodness. Para siyang spongy. Yeah, para siyang spongy. So I'm gonna taste it na. Yeah, it smells like durian. I taste like this one before. I think sa Macau. Yeah.
Hindi, kalasan yung binili mo sa sa Hong Kong airport.
Okay.
Yung sa Disney store.
Yun pala yun. Sige. Yun nga siya. Okay, thank you for watching. I think ganito na yung pamimigay ko sa mga kamag-anak ko. Bye for now.